Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Hobby Moe. In this video I will be showing you how to make a bird nest using any kind of box that you have around here and there. This was a box that I used to plant in some vegetables that I don't use anymore, and we're gonna make this box into two houses or two nests. So first thing, we need to divide the box in the middle. I'm gonna do this one vertically, so I'm gonna add a piece of wood in the middle, 47.5, and height it's 17 centimeters. I'm going to use this wood for dividing the box into two nests. So I made one line here. I will cut it and then I will measure 17 centimeters and I'll cut it in length. So we made the first cut. This is how it will look. Two homes, one on the top, one on the bottom. Now I'm going to measure 17 centimeters, and these measures are regarding only the size of the box that you are working on. In this case, this is the size of the box that I have. So I made my cutting and I put it in the middle. Now I'm going to screw them, two screws on both sides, and from the back side one screw just in case. So I screwed the central wood on both sides, and now I will be cutting the excess for the nest. So you will need an excess to clean up, not the main door where the birds enter the nest, because time to time you need to clean up from inside, and so we need to do an excess. So I want to see this house. I will make it the excess, which is the same side of where the bird enters his nest. Always where the bird nests needs to be unopened, no drafts, nothing, because they will try to find a space in the house just to be safe and warm. So I will do some cuttings here just for them to start to do their nest, because badger guards they love to do their own nests from the same wood that the house is. I will using this bit just to make the hole. Don't put it very on the edge because we need some power. What's going on? Yeah, I had to use my other cutter, electrical drill, because the battery went dead on me. So now what we have, one entrance from here, so you can put your hands and clean from both sides. Of course we need to clean the edges, we don't want to harm the birds, and of course you can use these bits for something else. Next step, after cleaning all the edges and making some cuttings here, just for let the birds to start to do their nest, I will be covering the whole face and making the doors for the nests. This is how it looks from inside, and then we will put the face cover and make our holes. Oops. Sorry about the camera. That's one. That's second. I will make a small hole here. Another one here. Just for the stands. Any kind of wood. In my case, I'm gonna use bamboo sticks. So now it's secured. I put some nails around it. This is how it's looking for the time being. Now I need to make a covering for the access door. I'm gonna use a square piece of wood, put a nail so it could be swivel. You can open it and close it. So now we have the access door fixed. Put your hands, take out all the rubbish and clean out, and then you are done on both sides. You're nearly done here. So we are done on the Budgie's nest building, and this is the final result. So we're gonna have two houses in one place. Of course, they don't need that much space, but you can do it like 4. But we will give them luxury life. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like the video and the build. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you very much. Take care.